Clipping mode is BodyViz's dissection mode. Dissections are performed by adding clipping planes, which cut through the volume to reveal internal structures. BodyViz dissections are non-destructive and can be performed again and again without the risk of permanently altering or removing any structures. You can use any BodyViz file to follow along with this tutorial. Head CT is the example file from this video. A little bit about the interface before we proceed. The menu at the bottom left indicates that you are in clipping mode, and the drop-down next to it will expand to reveal the clips that have been saved to this file. As you can see, this volume has several planes already created to reveal internal structures. On the left, in the controller panel, you will notice the following functions. The green A button will add a clipping plane, the red B will edit an existing plane, and the blue X will show or hide existing clipping planes. The yellow Y button will temporarily disable and enable clipping planes to quickly view the whole volume without deleting any clipping planes. To add a clipping plane, tap the A button, which says Add Plane. You are now in the clipping sub-mode. This is indicated by the mode menu, which is now gray. The drop-down menu has been replaced with a slider. Please note that while you are in a sub-mode, you can't change modes until the action has been updated or cancelled. Now, use the previous plane and next plane buttons to select one of the 6 orthogonal directions to start clipping from. Click and drag the slider with your mouse to move, spin, and twist the plane. Move, spin, and twist will fine-tune the orientation of the plane as it makes cross-sections. All of these edits can also be performed with a game controller. The controller panel will automatically update when a game controller is detected, so you always know which buttons to use. Once you are happy with the plane you created, save by tapping the A button. The clipping plane we just created is now saved in the drop-down panel next to the mode menu. For today, we will name our plane Sagittal Cross Section. You can name your clipping plane based on your preferences. Clipping planes can be reused and repurposed in multiple views. To toggle a clipping plane off or on for a view, simply flip the toggle switch. We will keep this plane activated for now. To edit a plane, make sure the plane you want to edit is selected. To do this, you can select the X button to toggle Show Hide All Planes. The plane you have selected is highlighted in red. You can change your selection by tapping the previous plane or next plane buttons. You can also select the plane you want to edit from the drop-down menu in the bottom left. Once you have selected the plane you want to edit, tap the B button that says Edit Plane. Adjust the plane using the same functions as before, and tap the A button to save the adjustments while editing a plane. If you would rather not save the adjustments, tap the B button to cancel the edit. To delete a plane, tap the Y button. Note that the planes can't be deleted outside of the sub-mode. In the gray toolbar under View, there are 2 additional options you can use to enhance clipping mode. Show Hide Bounding Box can be turned on to place the volume inside of a box. This setting may be helpful for those who aren't used to working in 3D space. Show Hide Area of Clipping Planes will make the traditionally red plane transparent. This feature works to clarify the visual as the plane slices into the volume and makes for great demonstrations and dissections.